Hi student.
Go.
Hi student. Yesterday we have discussed our chapter. It's the area related to circle. Till now we have discussed about the formula and base problem there. How can we get the area of sector? How can we get the length of segment? How can we get the area of major sector, and how we get the area of segment there. Yesterday I am going to revise you how we get area of minor sector. How we get area of minor sector? If we have given a radius there and sector angle theta there, then we get by theta upon 360 pi r square. By using this formula we are going to get the area of minor sector, where theta is our sector angle and r is our radius to the circle there. And then also area of major sector. How we get area of major sector? It's the 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. We get the area of major sector. Length of segment. How we get length of segment, beta? We have discussed length of segment by, it's given by theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Also, or can be theta upon 180 pi r. Then lastly we have find out area of segment. It means area of minor segment. How we get area of minor segment? It's a pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square by 2 sin theta. Theta is again our sector angle and r is our radius to the circle. Now in our last class we have discussed this formula, and also we are going to solve some base problem on it. Now we are going to proceed with our NCERT exercise. I have discussed there about yesterday. I have discussed with NCERT problem. Now we are going to start with again with our NCERT problem there. Look, we have the length of the minute hand. We are going to start with our NCERT exercise problem. We have exercise 12.2. In 12.2 what we have, we start with question number 3, the length of minute hand. We have we are going to start with our NCERT problem, question number 3. In question number 3 what we have? Now it's a given there, the length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand of a clock is the length of the minute hand of the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the swept by the minute hand in 15 minutes. Now the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter, and find the area swept by the minute hand in 15 minutes. Sorry, hand in 14 centimeter in hand of, sorry, it's given there 5 minutes there. Now look, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14. Our length of the minute hand means it's our radius there. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Suppose we have a clock there, it's centered there. In 5 minutes there is an hour and there is a minute hand. This is our 12, this is our 3, 6 and 9. So we have a clock. Then now this is our minute hand. So suppose it's on 12. Then in 5 minutes, there be it's 12:05. So suppose it's on then 1 there. It's on 1 there. Now we have to find out this area there. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter, and we have to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Obviously it's form a sector there, because when our minute hand is on 12, and after 5 minutes it's reached on a 1 there, then it's covered 5 minutes. Then to find out the length of the minute hand, means the length of the minute hand of a clock is it's given there, it's 14 centimeter. We have to find this area served by minute hand. Now to find out this area served by, we need a sector angle there. Well, it's make a sector, so suppose it's O, then A and B, then it makes a sector. Then we have to first of all find out a sector angle. Look, to complete a 1 minute, it's cover a 360. It covers a 360 degree. Now it's completed 360 degree. How it's covered in 5 minutes? In 1 minute, it takes a 6 degree. How? Why? Because minute hand cover in a 1 hour there is 60. In 60 minutes it's cover up. In 60 minutes complete a 1 hour and it's cover a 360 degree angle there. Then in 1 minute it's cover up 360 upon 60 means 6 degree. Then in 5 minutes it's cover up 6 into 5, then 30 degree. Now since minute hand cover minute hand makes an angle of 6 degree in minute hand of an angle commits 6 degree in 1 minute. Why? Because it's complete a 360 angle. When it goes through it 360 angle and it's at 60 minute, then it's take a 6 degree. It takes a 6 degree in 1 minute. Therefore in 5 minutes it's complete a 30 degree. Means this is our 30 degree. This is our 30 degree. Then 30, 30, 30, and then 12 into 5, 60. We get there. And it's now we get our sector angle there. We get our sector angle. Now our theta is what? 30 degree. We have R there, 14 centimeter. Now the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to theta 30 upon 360, theta upon 360 into pi. Pi we have to take 22 by 7 into r square. What is our r? It's a 14. 14 into 14. It's 3, 12. We get 12 here. Now it's a 7 to 14. Then we get 6 here. Then again it's 2, 3 is 6 and 11. Then finally what we have? We have 11 into 14 upon 3. Then 11 for 14. 4 is carry. 11 into 154. 154 by 3 centimeter square. Please go to solve it. I'm not going to dividing. You can. It's in decimeter. Then it's area served by minute hand in 5 minutes. Please divided by 3. You get a required there. It's 154 by 3 centimeter square. This is our NCERT says from question number 3 there. Thus in this problem we have not given a sector angle there. First of all we are going to find out our sector angle. When we get our sector angle, it's easy to solve because our area is sector is given by theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is our required result. Now we are moved to with our next problem. Look, what we have given the next problem. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters substance. It's a problem. It's question number 4 there. What we have been given? A chord of a circle of radius. A chord of a circle of radius. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters. Substance. It's given a substance right angle at the center. Sustain a right angle at the center. find the area of corresponding, find the area of corresponding first minor segment and second major segment. Find the area of corresponding minor segment and then major segment and use pi. Is in problem given that use the value of pi is 3.14 here. Now a chord of circle of radius 10 centimeters sustain a right angle. In solution what we have now, we have given our r is what 10 centimeter here, and also given a second angle theta is what, it's a right angle, means 90 degree. Now we have to find out the its area of minor segment, area of minor segment. What is the formula of area of minor segment? Area of sector minus area of triangle. We use the formula pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square by 2 sin theta. Now we take the value of pi is what, 3.14, r is what, our 10 square, means it's 100, theta is what, it's a 90 degree upon 360, then minus r, it's again 100 by 2 sin theta, means sine of 90 degree, sine of 90 is 1. Then what we have now, we have 340 multiplied with this 100 into 90 upon 360 minus 100 by 2, then it's a 90 for the, now what we have, now here we have 314 upon 4 minus 50, it's of 100 divided by 2, 50 is there. And now taking LCM, then what we have, 314 minus 15, 4 is 200, and then divided by 4. Now what we get, it's a 114 by 4, means 4 2 is 8, 4 8 is 32.5. 4, what we do, 114 by 4, 4 2 is 8, and by 34, 4 is 32, 24. Now we get the area of minor segment got 28.5 centimeter square. We get our area of minor segment, but we have also find out the area of major segment also there. Now what do we do to find out area of major segment? Again, what is the formula of area of major segment? Pi r square, it's a 360 minus theta. When our theta is 90 degree, then 360 we have put here 360 minus 90 upon 360 and minus r square by 2. Look, we have to find out major segment. We can generally easily find out by going to subtract. Since if we get the minor segment, then we can easily find out by second by just going to area of circle. Also you are going to find out just by taking area of circle minus area of minor segment. We have already find out area of minor segment. What is area of circle? Pi r square. It's easy to find out. Area of circle is about pi r square 3.14 and our radius is 10, then it's 100, minus we get 28.5 area of minor segment, then 314 minus 28.5, we get easily here, we get the area of major segment. What is we have? 314 of minus 28.5, then we have 10 to 8, it's a 2, what we have? 285, so we have 285.5, take out again, it's a carry 1, 13, 5, 10 to 8, 2, take, okay, it's a 285 centimeter square. We have our area of major segment there. Now look, we get a chord of circle of radius 10, subtend a right angle at the center of, find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment. We put in the value, we use the formula area of minor segment, pi r square theta by 360 minus r square by 2 sin theta. We have given sector angle, right angle, theta is 90 degree. We have given radius 10, putting the value there, and after solving, we get the area of minor segment. To get area of major segment, what we have to do was we are just going to area of circle minus area of minor segment, because when we are going to be subtract by area of circle to the minus area of minor segment, we get the area of major segment there. Now we are moved to with our next problem there. Till now we discuss our four question from NCERT text. I am just going to one of the next problem there. Please do yourself question number 5, then 6. Now I am going to explain you question number 7 there. Chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter a chord of circle of 12 centimeter sustains an angle of 120 degree, sustain angle of 120 degree at the center. Find at the center, find the area of corresponding, find the area of corresponding segment of circle. Corresponding segment of circle means we have to find the area of minor segment. Corresponding segment of circle. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter sustain an angle of 120 degree at the center. Look from the rough figure there. We have a chord. This is our chord of 12 centimeter. AB is a chord of 12 centimeter. It sustain an angle of 120 degree. It's a 120 degree there. A chord of circle of radius. It's a given. Sorry for that. It's a chord of circle of radius. It's given a 12 centimeter radius there. It's my apology to you. Now, sustain angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area corresponding segment of circle. We have to find the area of this segment there. Now, segment of circle. Now look, what is the formula of area of segment? Area of segment is given by, what is the formula? Pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square by 2 sin theta. Look, now we have a sector angle 120 there. Now sin 120, but in your level you don't aware the value of sin 120 there, but the value of sin 120 is equal to sin, because here when we are putting the value sin theta, then we have to put the value of sin 120, and sin 120 can be converted to sin 180 minus 60 degree. Sin 180 minus theta is the sin theta, sin 60 degree, then its value is root 3 by 2. Look, you have to be learned that the value of sin 120 is what? Root 3 by 2. But if you are not able to learn the value of sin 120, and this is also one of the formulas, that this formula is also can be written in the form of pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Our angle derivative theta. These are similar formula. When we put when we put theta is 120 there, then we have sin 60 into cos 60, and all of you are aware about the values of sin 60 and cos 60 already there. Then you can learn this formula. You can learn this formula there. Now suppose I am going to use this formula there. Also we can take the values of sin 120 is root 3 by 2, which is suitable to you. I am just going to take sin 120 by root 3 by 2. I am not going to use this formula there. Now I am starting with here pi. Look, what we have to take the value of pi in the question. We have to take the pi in the question 3.14. It's given there. We have to take pi is equal to 3.14, and root 3 is what? It's also given the value 1.73. 1.73. Then the pi, it's 3.14. R square means it's our 12. 12 square is 144. Theta is what? Our 120 divided by 360, then minus r square again 144 by 2, and 1 sin 120 is what? Root 3 by 2. Now look, it's a 3 times. Now what do we have? It's a 3.14 into 144 divided by 3, and then here what we have? It's a 4 3 to 12. It's I hope so. This cannot be divided by. It's a 2 7 14 272. Sorry, it's divided by 4 divided by 144. What do we get? 36. Now we have get here 36 into root 3. Now what we do? 3.14 into 400. Sorry, it's a 144. Where I am taking LCM there. 36 318 minus 108, and the value of root 3 is what? 1.73 divided by 3. Look, I'm not going to solve this. Please go to multiply with 3.14 into 144 minus 108 into 1.73. Then after subtraction, please go to divide, because I hope so. It's a I have to go to multiply and have to subtract and divide. Thus, I am going to revise you what you do. From here, you are going to be use your calculation and then solve it, and then get the values of in centimeter square there. What is a chord of circle of radius 12 centimeters, sustain an angle of 120 degree, find the center. Here is the difficult problem. What you have to do, just because here given an angle of 120 degree, when you are going to use the formula sine theta, you have to learn about the value of sine 120. What is the value of sine 120? Is equivalent to sine 60. The value of sine 120 is equal to sine 60, means it's a root 3 by 2. In this problem, you have to learn the value of sine 120 is equal to root 3 by 2, and then after that just you have to just do a calculation there. It's a obvious lengthy calculation there. It's not a very difficult, but one of the difficulties is that you have to learn the value of sine 120, or you have to learn this formula also. This is equivalent to this formula. Which one are you able to learn the formula there? Now we are going to move with our next problem. Now look, till now we have discussed our problem number 7 there. Now we are moved to the next problem there. What is our next problem? It's a problem number, we have taken the problem number 8 there. A horse is tied to peg. A horse is tied to peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope in figure. I'm not going to write down this problem. I'm going to read the problem and then just going to draw a figure there. I'm going to again read the problem. It is given that a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square. Just suppose we have a square A, B, C, D, and our horse is tied to from a vertex A there. A square grass field of side 15 meter by means of a grass field of a side 15 meter. It's a given the side of a square is 15 meter and horse is tied with the rope by means of a 5 meter long rope. It's a given 5 meter. So suppose it's a 5 meter. When a horse is tied up from there, then he are able to keep the grass from there to there. Means it's form of A, B, C, D. Then he is able to hit the grass area by what is A, E, F there. Again, it's form a sector there. Then it's asked here. First, the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. We have to find the first. What we find? The area of that part. The area of part that horse can be grazed. That horse can be grazed. It's is equal to area of sector AEF. Now look, it's a square, then obviously the sector angle is what? 90 degree. Then theta upon 360 pi r square. Don't be confused that it's a square. I'm just going to pi r square because it's make a sector there. Also it's make a, you can also here use a quadrant formula because also it's make a quadrant, because whenever your sector angle is 90 degree, then your sector is also known as by quadrant of circle there. And now 90 upon 360 into, now look, we have to be used, see there what we have the use in the value of pi there. We have to use the value of pi in the problem 3.14. Now 3.14 into what is the radius is given there. We have to take, don't confuse by, because here is the two values, numeric values there, 15 and 5, but we have to consider 5 because this is the side of square there, but horse can be divided by 5 meter. And our radius is what? 5 square. Now 90 divided by 4, we have 4 here, 3.14 into 25 by 4. Now look, what we do? We multiply with 4 by 4, then we have 3.14, which we are multiplying numerator by 4, then 25 4 ja 100, and upon 4 4 ja 16, then we have 314 upon 16. Now the area of grace, how can we get grace? Now we have to divide by 16. We are going to sort by, it's 4 7 28, 2 2 1 2 2 5 10, 2 7 14 and 8. Now divided by 8, what we have? 8 1 8, 8 1 57, 8 1 8 15 8 7, 8 9 72, 5 0,
2 minutes left.
8 6 48, 2 0. It's after solving, what we get? We get approx 19.625 centimeter square. Now we have find out the area grazed by a horse when it ties the rope of 5 meter. But there is another part in this question. Second part is also there. The increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now again it's in second part, moving that in the figure. Now from 5, its rope length is 10. Now is able to be grazed from ABCDF. Now AGH. But we have to find out increase in area. Means we have to find out this region there. How can we find this region? Area of sector AGH minus area of sector AEF. Then increase in area of graze. How can you find out? Area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector, means it's a pi r square, theta is what? 90. At the place of r put what? Larger value, it's a 10. Minus, sorry, divided by 60, then minus pi 5 by square into 90 by 360. Then after solving this, you are going to solve this, and what we have? Take pi and 360 common there. Just it's a 4 there. Then take pi by 4 common there. Then what we have? Pi by 4. Then we have 100 minus 25.
1 minute left.
Then it's a 10 square 100, 5 square 25. Then the value of pi we have to put 3.14 into 75 divided by 4. Then now what do you do? We have to be divided by multiply with 3.14 into 75. Then divided by 4, you get your required result. I am not going to be solve this. You have to be calculate it at your home there. Now look, in this problem what we have? First of all, we have to find the area when the rope is 5 meter. Then after that, we have to find out increasing grazing area. Then what we have to do? 10 meter there. Then In second part, area of bigger sector, we have structured the area of sector, bigger sector